Il61. Il61 is behind the camera. And yes, I am crazy!
Yeah, that's what I just said. You're crazy. Absolutely not. Sell me. I can ride better than you can, and I'm riding with one hand.
Hey!
Now what?
Shut up!
You stop me because you're right.
Okay. Where's that truck?
I don't know. Peel out. Oh, I had a bush. More specifically.
Hey!
Yeah, now the TheMonsterair is yelling at me.
Okay.
You gotta run it. Which way?
This way down and gonna jump that.
Oh.
That's why I tried to do a tabletop jump. Tabletop jump! I need to kill myself.
Probably just post this to his. Okay. This probably just be on the TheMonsterair. It could be on mine. I might put it on there. I don't know.
That jump had 2 in it if you're counting.
Did you get any air?
Oh,
How much? 3 centimeters?
couple inches.
Like 2? 2 inches?
Yeah, but, yeah. You go down.
I'll go across the street.
Of course he's not going to crash. He's intelligent. Unlike half of us, you know? And he didn't do it! Oh, what?
Down the pedal wouldn't miss.
Sure. I think they delete that. No, he's not wearing his helmet because he does not have one. He's a good rider, it's okay.
I think my chain is wearing out.
That's a problem.
What?
That's a problem. Take it.
Those gears are not catching. Right.
Gears not catching? That's a problem.
I've had this bike for 8 years.
Yeah, move.
Or more, and I ride it every single day. I like 3 or 4 miles every day. That's not what this little bike's made for.
3 or 4 miles a day? Wow.
Usually do that anyways.
Okay. Now here's it. Okay, you see that? Yeah.
Next power climber.
Whatever.
18 speed index shifting.
Shut up. Over that little thingy into
My bike is an old
Mongoose XR100.
Yeah, the Mongoose XR100. It's the 7000 series aluminum, 21 speed. It's got the alloy linear pole brake and the Sheno equipment on it.
Obviously better than mine.
Yes.
Alright.
Yes. Got the racing shocks. He's got the Power Stroke, whatever the heck those are.
Okay. Yeah. That was a bad one. Didn't give me no speed. It's my fault.
I can edit it.
Yeah, at least I made it up.
Huh? But you can post this one to yours.
Yeah, what?
We can post this video to yours.
Yeah.
Just open up your account and post it in.
Okay, that's cool.
You can take credit for it. I can edit that out too. He's dead.
What? Hey, I got space! ¿Cuánto cinco cents?
Please don't speak in Spanish.
Doki doki. How about German?
Just no understand. I know a little bit of Spanish. Very little German.
Okay.
I know no English though.
Okay, you see this? That was made by the pioneers who came over this way.
Ah, it was. No joking.
Well, you tell them more about it. You know more about it.
It's the old Pioneer Trail, also known as the Pony Express Trail or something like that.
Yeah.
Just one big gash through the land all the way across. Goes way that way.
Yeah, if we could go all that way, we probably could.
With this, if this never ended, if nobody ever filled this in, which they did over that way, if nobody ever filled this in, this would go up to Oregon, I believe.
Pretty cool.
Yeah. It's cool stuff. It's exciting. Is it exciting?
Oh yeah. Kind of nice of the pioneers to leave us a ancient bike.
Jump.
Yeah. Bike, whatever it is. Bike track.
Yes. Yes, yes. Okay. On our way again. Gotta get a new chain for my bike, I think. Yeah, I got some air there. I'm just riding along. Whoa! Hitting the bug dust. I hate bug dust. I'm hitting bug dust. I hate bug dust.
I laugh at you!
I laugh at you. You laugh at me, but I spit in your face. Stop swearing in German.
Okay, okay.
Ooh.
Whee! We're back where we started.
Yeah. Now, if those people are home, over in that house, I'll go show you some racing bikes, but they're not home, so either that or ignoring me.
YouTubers, do you like that? Just request more.
Yes.
He's moving away, so I won't be able to do it with him, so I'll have to do it with my crappy video camera.
You need to get a new one.
Yeah, sponsor me and I'll get a new one. One that has sound!
I think that's gonna happen.